Hi everyone, welcome to my next video. Today I am going to go through a quite popular topic, which is 10 benefits of taking Cisco Certified Network Associate or CCNA. All right, for some IT people, especially new persons who start the IT professional career, there's a quite diverse information um, or different type of certificates on the web and different um, IT career path. And sometimes even myself, I feel confused. Where I'm going to start. So today I'm just go through this topic. Hopefully you may feel helpful. Okay, here we go. Okay, the first benefit of taking the CCNA is this certificate is recognized globally, right? Doesn't matter where you're from, in which country, you are going to work in your country, or one day you are going to migrate or you move to different country, and then you apply for the IT jobs. Cisco is recognized, right? And then when you take the certificate, your name will be certified in Cisco website. Okay. The second benefit of taking CCNA is when you take the CCNA certificate, Cisco will give you a digital badge. It looks like this underneath. And then, and also you can attach into your email signature. You can attach into your LinkedIn or Facebook, so the employer can find you. And also, when you have the certificate, it's going to be valid for 3 years. And even after 3 years, you still can have the ID and if you type in the ID into Cisco website, it still recognize you. Okay. Number three is Cisco CCNA going to give you fundamental networking concepts or knowledge, right? By taking the CCNA, you are going to find a overall concept of how network look like. Right? All the components to make up the network, right? Like routers, switch, and of course OSI model is very popular model, and then it define the networking stack where all the package or just flow over. All right, you can see a backbone of a networking, how it look like. CCNA also introduce you a different type of popular network protocols like Ethernet, ARP, DHCP, DNS, and so on. Okay. Number four is by taking CCNA, you are going to have the hands-on experience or hands-on exercise on Cisco network equipment, and you can look like below. Right, this is very popular terminal console. When you log in to a Cisco switch or a router, and then and you can learn how to set up, how to configure the router or switch, which is in a enterprise network. Number five, add value to your resume. All right, this is very important. Maybe you are just graduate and you're looking for jobs, right? So taking CCNA is very good point for your resume. And even though you already have the IT jobs like help desk or IT support, it's still good to get the CCNA so that to update your resume and looking for the opportunity to move forward to your IT professional career. Okay, number 6, able to troubleshoot and resolve harder IT issues. Like for example, if you are working in IT, first level or IT support or help desk, right? Usually you receive a call, oh, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, or my PC cannot browse the internet, right? Or the app not working. Most of the times you can uninstall, reinstall, reboot the computer, or unlock the account. What happens if the problem becomes harder? For example, right? Oh, my internet not working. Oh, why whole of my building is lost the connections. Oh, my phone is lost the voice. Or oh, the voice is a cracking noise. Or the printer is off the network, right? So when you see some issue like that, if you have the CCNA knowledge, it's really helpful in case to make more thorough troubleshooting, and even when you would like to escalate the case to level 2 or network engineer or higher, by collecting enough information, what you found is going to help to solve the problem quicker. All right. So number 7 is important step toward IT professional career. All right. So if you're looking for to looking for move forward, all right, get to a senior level of the IT, right? Doesn't matter later on where which path you are going to go through. CCNA is still a very important role to help you to move to that career, right? For example, right, you can thinking, oh, later on I am going to move to level 2 IT support. I can start my network engineering roles, system engineer like in the data center or SAN or Microsoft system engineer, or later on I can be a telecom engineer working with the phones, security specialist, right? CCNA still play a very solid role uh, or solid background knowledge to help you so that it can be the steps so that you can go up. And even later on, you can be a cloud-based engineer like AWS or Microsoft Azure. All right, so it doesn't matter later on whatever path you go through, CCNA is worth it. Okay. Okay, number 8, persistent knowledge. Right, so I just from my experience from myself when I first start the IT career, I try to learn so many things, and after many years, I just found out, oh, the knowledge is changed so quickly, right? So after I learned this, and then just a few years later, those knowledge become obsolete, and then I have to move on and keep learning. Um, uh, like typically like Microsoft, right? If you learn server, it goes server 2 and 3, so 2008, 2008 R2, 2012, 2016, and now server 2019. And then Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft ISA, right? Internet security. And now, even though you spend a lot of time to learn, now you even hardly even see Microsoft ISA, even no one know about it, right? By taking the network CCNA, I took CCNA um, uh, probably 15 years ago. Until now it's still valid, even though it's 3 years valid since you take the certificate. But until now, I still use Cisco CCNA, and even though the knowledge of when I took from CCNA 15 years ago until now is almost the same. All right, so yeah, so if you take it, the knowledge is yours. It's for a long time, and you can see almost everything, apps, right? The all the business apps, different type of apps, um, almost run on top of a networking, right? So that's why when learning networking, that's the base for the IT path. Okay, next one, project time management, right? To take the CCNA, it's to me, it's just like any project I'm working in the IT. It's not very hard. It's not easy. The main thing is you are going to build up the project yourself, and you need to manage the time to complete it. Like any other project I'm working in IT, we need to organize and research and yeah, contribute times. And yeah, so this is very good practice for you. CCNA just like one of the projects for yourself. So to practice this is one of the way to practice in the future project. So it's very useful. All right, so the final benefits is pay rise, of course, right? So yeah, try and then send email to the manager or put into resume, and you will see the surprise. In the analysis, the person who has the CCNA with the persons who has not certifications, with the compare between the person who has certificate and with the no certificate, right? Even you do the same jobs, the same result, the person would have certifications will have about 5 to 10% salary higher than the person who hasn't got certificate. Okay, so that's all. That's all of the topic for today. And yeah, if hopefully everyone find something helpful about this. Thank you very much.